Hello, and welcome to Novobi's Odoo Accounting demo series. In this video, I'll show you how to apply partial or full payment to customer invoices or vendor bills using payments, credit notes, or write-offs. I'll also be taking advantage of some of Novobi's customizations, easily remove applied payments from an invoice, review transaction details from an invoice, and review which invoices a transaction has been applied to. To see how it works with the Novobi US Accounting app, let's start with this scenario. Let's say we have just issued an invoice to Toyota USA for a consulting job. Toyota has outstanding payments, credit notes, and write-offs that they can apply to pay for this invoice. To apply these transactions, I go to the Accounting app, open the Sales menu, select Customer Invoices, and choose the Open Invoice. At the bottom, I can see a list of all outstanding payments, credit notes, and write-offs that this customer has with us. To view the transaction details, I simply click on the reference number. That leads me to the transaction form view, which I can review and then use the breadcrumbs to go back to the invoice. To apply any of these, I click Apply. By default, the entire amount is applied, but if I only want to partially apply a transaction, I can enter the amount in the Amount field. If I click on this payment that I've applied to the invoice, I'll be able to see this invoice reference number in the Applied Invoices section of the payment. If I make a mistake, it's easy to undo. I just click on the X and the transaction is removed. If I go back to the transaction details, I see that the invoice has been removed from the Invoice section. I can also apply transactions from the Payment, Credit Note, or Write-Off form. So if I navigate to Customer Credit Notes under the Sales menu and select a credit note, I can unlink invoices I've already applied to it, or apply it to any other open invoices for this customer. The same thing applies when Novobi pays a vendor bill. If I go to Purchases, Vendor Bills, choose an open vendor bill, I use the same process to apply any vendor credit notes, deposits, or other transactions to the bill. This concludes today's topic. Thank you for watching.